Struggling to make your photos tell a story? Today, I'm going to break down the 4 steps to help you tell stories in your photographs. Step 1, the concept. Every great story starts with a concept. This is where you dream big and let your imagination run free. Ask yourself these questions. What is the message that you want to convey? What is the feeling that you want your viewer to feel? Is this session for reward entries? Will the photos level up your portfolio, and how? Or do you simply want to push your creativity and your creativity limits in your photography? Ideas where you can draw your inspiration from are your favorite movies, if you've got favorite movies that you love, favorite music. If you have these other photographers that you love their work, you admire their work, use them as an inspiration for you. One book in particular that I love to use, let me grab it, is this one. It's called The Dictionary of Simples. As you can see, I mark it. I love using this book because it gives you the information about what particular things mean, like their meaning, their uses, and timelines of use. It's pretty thick, as you can see, but it's a great little book to have on the sidelines to draw inspiration from in order to create incredible storytelling. Step number 2 is the plan. Once you've developed your concept, it's time for you to create a plan. This is your blueprint or your storyboard. Start to write to sketch out what your vision or your concept is. And you don't have to be the perfect artist in order to stick figures. Stick figures will literally work for this. Include details like the lighting, the location, the time of day, and the mood that you want to represent. This will help you keep your photo shoot aligned with your story. And a bonus tip, use Canva. You don't need a professional subscription to use it. You can have a lot of tools within the free subscription to create a great and awesome plan to take and print and use for your photo shoot. Step number 3 is a list. With your plan in place, start creating a list of all the things you're going to need for your photo shoot. Things like a model, models, maybe you want more than one, hairstylists, makeup artists, wardrobe pieces, props, or any other special equipment that you might want to use. Previously, I've used things like body paint, body clay in order to clay up my clients, my models to create incredible stories. I've used things like bulldog clips are the best thing to have in your kit because I've created dresses literally out of a piece of fabric using bulldog clips. Also, create a shot list and a shooting agenda to help you track your time. This ensures that you capture every part of the story without rushing or without missing an important shot. And finally, step number 4. Oh, and if you're really enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. The editing is where all of your hard work, it all comes to life. The key is to keep it simple. Start with clean, polished images and then layer your unique style and your touches on top. And if possible, if it's within your budget, use a retoucher because they can take away all of the hard work stuff like flyaways, clean up backgrounds, clean up creasing and that type of stuff so that you can just focus wholly and solely on making sure that your creative work looks like something that you are completely proud of. And try to avoid those heavy filters that can really take away from the photo. Instead, I recommend using layers. I use layers in my photo editing. The good thing about layers is you can turn them off and you can turn them on as you're going through and you're doing your editing on your photographs. And layers just are very subtle enhancers to the storytelling for your photographs. And by following these 4 steps, so the concept, the plan, the list, and the editing, you'll create photos that truly tell stories and connect with your clients on a deeper emotional level. And if it's for awards, because a lot of the stuff that I do create, I also do it for awards as well. But if it's for awards, go and take some inspiration from those photographers in there that have actually won the different sections within the awards, because you'll always find something new and inspiring in there that you can draw from. You don't want to copy them per se, but you just want to use them as inspiration for your own storytelling in your own photography images. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.